Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and we are here to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.3. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.33%. This equates to an average return of 1.27% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock remains positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 22.58% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 28.79% to an increase of 41.5%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of 248.83%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could span from 79.97% to 298.82% over the coming year. In current terms, this suggests a future price range between $19.94 and $44.19. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline: D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price ended at $11.08 on Wednesday, after gaining 3.26%. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price gained 3.26% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, rising from $10.73 to $11.08. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 9.81%, with a day low at $10.60 and a day high of $11.64. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 60.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 28 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 84 million shares bought and sold for approximately $929,530,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $11.95, and the lowest price was 75.1 cents. Currently, the price is 7.28% or 87 cents below the 52-week high and 16.25% or $2.15 below the all-time high on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price reached $13.23. Today, D-Wave Quantum Incorporated, trading under the ticker QBTS, is under scrutiny as Braunstein, Gewertz & Grossman LLC has initiated an investigation into allegations concerning the company. This development has sent ripples through the investor community, prompting shareholders to seek more information on the potential claims. Investigations like this can often create uncertainty, which may lead to short-term volatility in the stock price as investors react to potential risks. Conversely, the company recently showcased strong earnings, which comes amidst a remarkable 683% stock price increase over the past year. Despite the ongoing investigation, bulls in the market remain optimistic about D-Wave's prospects, citing its technological advancements as potential game changers in computing. Industry experts suggest that while short-term sentiments might fluctuate due to these allegations, the long-term outlook for D-Wave appears promising, especially as quantum computing emerges as a pivotal technology. With discussions around the company's growth potential resonating in analyst circles, QBTS could still attract momentum investors seeking substantial returns. Given this mix of factors, D-Wave's stock could experience immediate fluctuations. However, the underlying innovation and growth potential in the quantum computing sector may well position it favorably for the long haul, impacting stock valuations positively over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was noted that B. Riley again gave QBTS a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham rated QBTS as buy with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, Benchmark rated QBTS as buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock an strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. The relationship between these signals is also favorable, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $9.74 and $7.63. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, March 17, 2025, with a current decline of 0.89%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, recorded 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 63 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, also identified 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, observed 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, noted 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, recorded 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, noted 136 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.42 and $10.15. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this case, D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.42. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.15 and $8.69. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.04 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.81%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 18.58%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -7 cents. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $11.09. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum faces its first support level at $10.42. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of May, 2025, Alan E. Baratz made an insider purchase of 580,117 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Diane Wen conducted an insider sale of 9,969 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, John M. Markovich also sold 19,674 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the 22nd of April, 2025, Alan E. Baratz made another insider sale of 36,890 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 6th of March, 2025, Diane Wen made an insider purchase of 101,721 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 30.417. In total, insiders purchased 48,524,271 shares and sold 95,047,529 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.65, representing a decline of 3.9%. This stock experiences very high daily movements, resulting in significant risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 41 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 15th of May, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum will open higher by approximately 2.67 cents and begin trading at $11.11. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to assume full responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.